Hey guys, back again with another video, and for today I'm gonna show you guys how to do the glitch effect. So let's get straight to it. So as you guys can see, I already got my sketch right here, but this one is gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be half glitchy and half original. So let's deal with the half original side first. So as you guys can see, I'm using alcohol markers to do the coloring, but you guys could also use Posca markers or any other type of markers that you would like. I just prefer to use these ones. So what you want to do right now is grab any type of black marker that you have. I'm using Posca for this one, and outline the other side of the drawing. This is where we're going to do the glitch effect on. Now when you're finished outlining the drawing, reach for your blue and your red marker. Take your red marker and draw on the outer part of the drawing just like this. Then grab your blue marker and draw on the other side of the drawing, just like this. So what you're gonna do now is grab your red marker and we're gonna draw some horizontal lines on the outside, just like this, to give it a more glitchier look. And we're also gonna put some on the inside. Now you're going to reach for your blue marker and do the same thing on the opposite side. So there you have it guys, the glitch effect. Be sure to drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe for more.